everyone, this is Komal, and today I wanted to share something with you so that you guys get to know who's the person really behind the camera, behind Komal Dangs. This video is just so that you guys know where I come from, so that I can share my journey with you guys, and maybe some of you might find it relatable, or some of you would just be interested in just my background and whatever I have gone through. So this video is for that. ये video firstly मैं इसीलिए बना रही हूँ because I wanted to talk in front of a camera for a very long time. मैं बहुत dance करती हूँ in front of the camera, but I wanted to talk in front of a camera and share my experiences with you guys. So today I want to talk about my weight issues, my PCOD and my bipolar, and how all of these things have shaped me to who I am today, and how dancing has been a part of this entire journey. So बस इसी सब के अराउंड बातें होने वाली है आज. I mean one sided बातें, but I will try to be as frank as I can. So सबसे पहले तो what is bipolar, and just definitions time. PCOD is polycystic ovarian syndrome or polycystic ovarian disorder, if I'm saying it right. इसमें इन अ वुमेन्स ओवरीज सिस्ट फॉर्म हो जाती है, जिसकी वजह से हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंसेस होते हैं. देयर इज इरेगुलरिटी इन पीरियड्स, देयर इज weight fluctuations, there is weight gain, and a lot of more symptoms that it brings along. So that is PCOD. Second is bipolar. So bipolar disorder is a mental disorder जिसमें you get highs and you get lows. So in your highs you're very energetic, and for me it lasts for months. So in your high phase you're very energetic, you can do a lot of things, you can build something, you can change the world, and all these things happen in a high phase. In a low phase उतना ही नीचे hit करता है, full time depression, बाहर जाने का मन नहीं है, पूरे time bed पे बैठे रहो. So these highs and lows comes, but this is manageable with medications, and I have been on medications for over a year now, and now वो high low के बीच में मैं stability maintain कर पा रही हूँ. I am 24 years old right now, and I have been skinny my entire life till I hit 22. I was skinny before that. My weight was 36, 37, 38, 39 was the maximum weight that I was on. Like अभी देख के पता नहीं चल रहा होगा, but 39 was my weight. And उसके बाद PCOD तो मुझे पहले से ही diagnosed था when I was in my teens, but मैं इतना ध्यान नहीं देती थी उस पर. I took some medications, but then वो खानी पड़ती हैं, and then if you stop them then irregularity फिर से आती है. So I was like just I can manage PCOD on my own. So I've been managing it on my own right now, but yes, PCOD has been one of the greatest factors in my weight gain. So when I used to be very skinny, people used to always taunt me about it, like रिश्तेदार बोलेंगे एकदम ऐसे छिपकली जैसी लग रही है, डंडी जैसी लग रही है, and you know all those skinny shaming. स्कूल में हुआ and college में तो नहीं हुआ, because college में I started gaining weight, and I think it just happened for me. I didn't do much about it, I didn't do anything for it, it just happened for me. I started gaining weight in my college. फिर college में weight gain धीरे धीरे शुरू हुआ, तो people started accepting me more. I don't know how people started accepting me more कि वो तो ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही है, ये है वो है, when actually I feel the same. When I was skinny I was the same person. When I'm gained a little bit of weight, I'm still the same person. If I grow fat, which I did, by the way, spoiler, I'm still the same person. So yeah, मेरा weight बढ़ने लगा. I hit 40, 45, I hit 50 when I was like, okay, that was the prime time of my life, by the way, 2023 में, when I had this perfect body without much fat, but also skinny. I used to fit in all these 26 waist jeans, and I used to wear these crop tops, and I could just go out wearing a crop top and jeans. It was like no brainer for me. It was like a prime time of my life, and I used to love it. But then फिर मेरी job लग गई, and life में stress बढ़ गया, and I got diagnosed with bipolar last year properly. And yeah, in between all this, मेरा जो weight gain था, firstly PCOD की वजह से तो हो ही रहा था, but bipolar की वजह से, मेरे depression की वजह से, I gained so many kgs of weight. I went from 50, 55 to 65. Like, can you imagine? I used to be skinny, 39, then I used to be normal, 50, and then I went extreme, 64, and I will put some pictures, video somewhere here. एंड उस टाइम बहुत फैट शेमिंग मिली मुझे, एंड इट रियली हिट माई कॉन्फिडेंस एज वेल, विच लेटर आई रियलाइज्ड इट शुड हैव नॉट, बट या मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस काफ़ी हिट हुआ. आई रिमेंबर मेरे को पार्टीज़ में जाने में शर्म आती थी बिकॉज नथिंग यूज टू फिट मी एनी मोर, एंड जो नए कपड़े मैं लेती थी उसमें भी मेरा टमी बाहर आया हुआ रहता था, मेरा डबल चिन इतनी आई हुई रहती थी, अभी भी थोड़ी बहुत है बट दैट टाइम वॉज रियली डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. टॉकिंग अबाउट डांसिंग, डांसिंग हैज़ बिन देयर फॉर मी थ्रू आउट. मैं जब पतली थी, मैं जब 30 kgs की थी, मैं तब भी नाचती थी, मैं जब 64 थी मैं तब भी नाचती थी, एंड डांसिंग हैज़ बिन देयर थ्रू आउट दिस जर्नी विद मी. And I think one thing that I think everybody should take off from this video is, no matter what your body looks like, no matter what weight you are on, what matters is your self-worth and your self-confidence. I let my body image shatter me for years, but now I'm at a much better place where I'm accepting of my body, my weight, my issues, the things I'm dealing with, the things I'll have to deal with. So just wajah se things are a little more stabilized now and more streamlined now. If you are someone that's struggling with PCOD, girly, I am here with you. सबको हो रहा है PCOD अब. हम लोग like इतना, the lifestyles have changed so much on the past few years that it's very common for girls to have PCOD, but having a mental disorder along with that is also difficult. But yes, if you are someone who is relating with me through this video, you go girl or you go guy, whoever you are. But yes, that's just a random video I wanted to make, a random talk I wanted to have. I think it's good that I'm able to accept it and I'm able to talk about it. So thank you guys for watching, and Komal Dank signing off for later. See you all in my next video. Love you. Bye bye.